The Control, International Trade Fair for Quality Assurance, is the globally recognized world's leading technology, communication and business platform covering all aspects of quality control in industrial production. Users from all industry sectors find the right equipment for zero defects production. In industrial manufacturing, no matter in which industry, zero defect production has become the top priority. Components and assemblies must be manufactured exactly to specification. Smooth, error-free production processes as well as flawless components and products are the basis for efficient and cost-optimized production. Industrial users depend on receiving precise and reliable measurement data in real time and being able to use it for intuitive process control, automated and digitized. Experience live the next level of quality assurance at Control 2020 from 5 to 8 May in Stuttgart, Germany.